In this video we will see what can we do with the LDSperimetral system in demonstration mode. I mean, what is this demonstration mode made for, right? Just turn the system on. We will start in the installation folder that we have created previously, right? So let's execute the system and let's say continue in demo version, right? No license by now. Here the system comes with a set of sequences and playlists already preloaded so that you can test it, right? So let's start let's start one playlist and let's say it. So here what you can see is that we have our video and the words demo in front of each cabinet, right? So in Stadium you would see all the videos, but in each cabinet you would see the word demo, right? This is the only difference between a licensed system and a system without a license, right? So you can use the system in demo version to test it, to see if it matches your requirements, and if you want to buy the license or you think you don't want to, right? The system is completely functional. Everything will be the same except this. You will not be able to use it in a live event, of course, but you will be able to show it to your clients if you want. You will be able to test it and see if it is what you expect it to be, right? Thank you. See you in the next video.